Kiki. At home, we often run into some danger. Can you help me look around? Don't play with the drawer and be careful of the table edge. Pick a table sticker that you like. Pick the right key to lock the drawer. Wrong. Try again. You're doing great. Great job! You're doing great. Your choice is wrong. Great job! Children, don't play with the drawers and be careful not to bump into the table corner. Find out which are food and feed Kiki. Cookies. Watermelon. Battery. You can't eat this. Bread. Strawberry. You can't eat this. Marble. You can't eat this. Pen. You can't eat this. Cake. Children, you must check clearly what you can and can't eat. Don't just eat anything. Who's knocking at the door? Mom said never open the door for strangers. What should I do? Right, I can see the phone camera.
The pizza you ordered is here.
Make sure that it's your friends before open. Mom, we have guests.
I'm Mom.
Mom, we have guests. I'm Alan. I'm Alan. This is the present I'm giving you. If strangers knock at the door, we cannot open the door. We must call Mom and Dad. You shouldn't leave toys everywhere. Hurry and put your toys in order. Put the toys on the shelf. After playing with the toys, remember to put them back. You shouldn't touch hot things. Look for what we can use to cool them down. Turn the handle to turn on the hand-powered fan. Feed Kiki the food.
Yeah, yeah!
Children, things that are steaming might burn you. You have to cool them down before you eat them. Turn the handle. When you're going up or downstairs, you should be careful of your feet. Help Kiki fix the floorboard. You are doing great. At the right time, nail down the nails. Try again. Hold onto the railing and walk slowly, step by step. Children, when going up and down stairs, remember to hold onto the railing and walk slowly, step by step. Also, if the floorboards are broken, call Mom and Dad to fix them. Don't run in the bathroom. Put everything in order. Children, you shouldn't run in the bathroom. It's very easy to slip and fall. Kiki, I'm coming.
Failure to get more.